Hey divas, so in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys this unit. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I easily installed this. This is super beginner friendly because I did not even like glue it down or anything, but as you guys can see, it is laid and it is looking very neat. I could have got this part down a little bit more, but anyways, don't ignore that because my braids are growing out, so my new growth has my, you know, my little foundation going crazy right now. But anyways, if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this deep swoop side part with this affordable human hair, then definitely keep on watching.
My sexy bad girl, eh? My sexy bad girl, eh? You, let's go. Yeah. Say bad girl, make you give it to me. The way that you move and the things you do. Say bad girl, make you move it for me. Pan it to the left and pan it to the right. Oh, you're bad girl, make you give it to me now. Yeah, make you give it to me now. Make you give it to me. Give it to me. See, give it to me now. Mommy, move slow, you know how the thing go. I'm not a bingo, you put me in a limbo. You got all the things that I really wanna get. You fine, you good, and you really set. And I got all the cash, so I really wanna spend. Stand up on the wall, make a chitty bang. And on you, girl, I will place on my bed. Anywhere you wanna go, when you fly in a jet. Slow down, girl, let me break it down. From town to town, I dey ask around for the baddest girl that hold it down. Then they point to you, say that you hold the crown. Say bad girl, make you give it to me. The way that you move and the things you do. Say bad girl, make you move it for me. Pan it to the left and pan it to the right. Oh, you're bad girl, make you give it to me now. Make you give it to me now. Make you give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me now. Slow down, girl, do slow motion. Skin smooth, use good lotion. Body so hot, I take caution. In the club, girl, you be causing commotion. Don't slow down, don't make me hold on. Cause my love is bigger than the ocean. Whine it, girl, with your sexy crazy waist. I really can't wait to have a taste. You're the one and only girl that can cure my craze. Haste, wait, show your figure here with that booty, girl. I can't relate, let me rock you, girl, cause I will not hesitate. Say bad girl, make you give it to me. The way that you move and the things you do. Say bad girl, make you move it for me. Pan it to the left and pan it to the right. Oh, you're bad girl, make you give it to me now. Make you give it to me now. Make you give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me now. Bad girl, make you give it to me. The way that you move and the things you do. Say bad girl, make you move it for me. Pan it to the left and pan it to the right. Oh, you're bad girl, make you give it to me now. Make you give it to me now. Make you give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me now. Big kills on the beat. My sexy bad girl, eh? My sexy bad girl, eh? You, let's go. Yeah. Say bad girl, make you give it to me. The way that you move and the things you do. Say bad girl, make you move it for me. Pan it to the left and pan it to the right. Oh, you're bad girl, make you give it to me now. Yeah, give it to me now. Make you give it to me. Give it to me. See, give it to me now. Mommy, move slow, you know how the thing go. I'm not a bingo, you put me in a limbo. You got all the things that I really wanna get. You fine, you good, and you really set. And I got all the cash, so I really wanna spend. Stand up on the wall.
Okay divas, so this is the end of the video. If you guys are interested, I will have a link to this hair down in the description box below. Be sure to go ahead and check it out because it's super affordable and the hair quality is really nice. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you and know what you are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell. I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.